Photograph poem explanation. Line 1 to 4. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and see the big girl, some 12 years or so. Here, the meaning of paddling is walking. Explanation. In these lines, the poet is looking at an old photo album which is made up of cardboard. In the picture, there are three girls who are walking on the beach holding each other's hand. The girl in the middle is the tallest and oldest. The other two girls on each side are younger than her. The girl in the middle is the poet's mother. She is around 12 years old when the picture was taken. Here the poet is saying that she was just looking one old photo which is made up of cardboard. In that photo, there are three girls were walking on the beach and holding each other's hand. And in that, the girl who is tallest and oldest and standing in middle of the photo, she is a poet's mother. And she is poet's mother. And that photo, it was taken when her mother was 12 years old. Now, 5 to 9. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, was their terribly transient feat. Here, the meaning of transient is short term, temporary. It means the things which are not permanently. Explanation. In the above lines, the poet describes how the photograph was taken. Her mother's uncle took the photograph and told them to stop and pose. All three of them left their wet hair open and smiled at the camera. The poet's attention is drawn towards his mother's face, which is described as a sweet face. The photograph was taken long before the poet was born. The poet calls their feet terribly transient as they were so young by then and now they had grown older. On the other hand, the sea which touched their feet has changed less. Here in this stanza, the poet is describing how the photograph has taken. So here her mother's uncle has said that stand and give a pose and they were three were smiling and giving pose and the poet is saying his mother's face it means the poet जो अपनी मम्मा की फेस देख रही है उस फोटो में उस फोटोग्राफ में and that describing that her sweet face at that time when she was 12 years old. The photograph was taken long मतलब ये जो फोटोग्राफ लिया गया है जब पोएट जो है बॉर्न मतलब जन्म भी नहीं ली थी उनसे पहले ये फोटोग्राफ लिया गया है. हेयर टेरिबली ट्रांस मीन्स जब वो यंग थी, जब उनके पैर यंग थे, जब उनके पैर इतने सुंदर थे और यंग थे और वो जो टच कर रहे थे एंड नाउ दे हैड ग्रोन ओल्डर और अब जो है वो बड़ी हो गई है. ऑन द अदर हैंड द सी विच टेस्ट देयर फीट और जो दूसरे साइड अगर आप देखो जो सी जो है उनके पैरों को टच कर रहा था वो अभी तक भी कोई चेंजेस नहीं हुआ है. चेंजेस आया है तो हल्का कोई चेंजेस आया है. नॉट चेंज लाइक देयर mother's feet. Line 10 to 13. Some 20-30 years later, she had laughed at the snapshot. See Betty and Dolly. She had said, and look how they dressed us for the beach, the sea holiday. Here, the snapshot meaning is photograph. After 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the photograph. She would tell me to look at her cousins, Betty and Dolly, and how their parents would dress all three of them up for the beach. They would have planned to take a photograph beforehand. Here, the poet is saying when her mother was 20-30 years old, so that time when she used to see the photograph, she used to laugh. शी वुड टेल मी वो बता रही हैं कि ये जो फोटो में दो गर्ल्स कजन्स हैं उनका नाम क्या है बेटी एंड डॉली और उनके पेरेंट्स लोगों ने कैसे ड्रेसअप करवाया है बीच पे जाके फोटोग्राफ क्लिक करवाने के लिए इट मीन्स फोटोग्राफ लेने के लिए. 14 to 15 line was a past mine is her laughter both wry with the labored ease of loss. Here the wry meaning is ironic mocking. Explanation. The poet recalls the sea holiday was her mother's favorite moment from the past. पोएट इज सेइंग जो सी हॉलीडे था उनकी मम्मा का फेवरेट मोमेंट था पास्ट से रिलेटेड. अगर पास्ट की बात किया जाए तो उनकी मम्मा का क्या फेवरेट था कि वो जो सी हॉलिडे में जाती थी अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, वो बहुत उनके लिए फेवरेट हुआ करता था। While the poet's favorite moment from the past was her mother's laughter. Here, बहुत अच्छी बात बोला गया है कि पोएट बोल रही हैं उनकी मम्मा का फेवरेट मोमेंट था जब वो सी हॉलिडे में जाती थी, बट पोएट का फेवरेट मोमेंट कब क्या था? जब वो अपनी मम्मा को हंसता हुआ देखती थी, मीन्स पास्ट में जब वो अपनी मम्मा को हंसता हुआ देखती थी, उनका ये बहुत फेवरेट मोमेंट हुआ करता था। Both the women and would think about those past memories which they cannot live again. They tried their best to adjust to what they lost. और दोनों ही वुमेन मतलब उस पास्ट को याद कर रही हैं जो अब वो दोबारा उस पास्ट को नहीं जी सकती। 16 to 19. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. It's silence, silences. Here, silences meaning is complete absence of sound. It means किसी की आवाज भी नहीं सुन सकते हो, वो यहाँ पर बताया गया है साइलेंस की मीनिंग। एक्सप्लेनेशन, इन द अबव लाइन्स द पोएट सेज दैट हर मदर डाइड 12 years old। मतलब पोएट बता रही है जब वो 12 ईयर की थी तब उनकी, नहीं वो नहीं, 12 इयर्स हो गया उनकी मम्मा की डेथ हुए हुए, एंड द सेम एज हर मदर वाज इन द फोटोग्राफ। और वही एज जो फोटोग्राफ में वो देख रही हैं, वो उनकी मम्मा का क्या एज है? 12 इयर्स। Whenever the poet thinks of her mother's death, she cannot explain what effect she has for of her mother's death. Death has silenced her mother's, which has also left her speechless. अब वो बयान नहीं कर सकती, वो एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकती कि उनकी मदर का डेथ उनको कितना पेनफुल करता है, और जिनको वो अभी सुन भी नहीं सकती, मतलब साइलेंस हो गया उनकी पूरी जिंदगी, तो स्पीचलेस है वो पूरी।